Good morning, children. We have studied about rational number. We have seen so many cases of rational numbers, and already we are well known about evaluation of rational numbers between two given rational numbers, as well as representation of rational numbers on the number line. All these points are cleared. Have any doubt in that points? No. After that, we have to see rational numbers as well as property of rational numbers. If two rational numbers p by q and r by s are given, then both rational numbers are said to be equivalent if p by q and r by s can be represented as p into s is equal to r into q. यहाँ देखेंगे प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ रेशनल नंबर. Property of rational numbers. Two rational numbers are said to be equivalent and if p by q and r by s are said to be equivalent if p into s is equal to r into q. Two rational numbers p and q are said to be equivalent if p into s is equal to r into q. First point is this. Second point is, if p by q is a rational number, if p by q is a rational number and m is any integer, m is any integer different from 0 then we have, सारे बच्चे नोट कर लिए हैं ना? Then we have p by q equal to p into m by q into m. This is your second property of rational numbers, where m is your any integer different from 0. Third property is if p by q is a rational number and m is any integer different from 0, then p by q can be written as p by m divided by q by m. different from 0, then P by Q can be written as P by M divided by Q by M. This is your properties of rational numbers. With the help of these properties, all of you become able to solve the given questions related with rational numbers. We are going to solve the questions of worksheet 2 which are related with the same properties. First one is, in each of the following cases, show that the rational numbers are equivalent. वर्कशीट 2 सारे बच्चे देखेंगे वर्कशीट 2 क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, the first we have two rational numbers are given as 4 by 9 and 44 by 99. 4 by 9 and 44 by 99. Either the given two rational numbers are equivalent or not. अभी जस्ट हमने बताया है कि if P by Q and R by S are two rational numbers, then if P into S is equal to R into P into this P by Q is equal to R by S, then P into S is equal to Q into R is given, then both are set to be equivalent or not. We have 4 into 99 is equal to 9 to the 36, 9 to the 36 plus 3 is 39. Also 44 into 9 is equal to 396. And 4 by 9 and 44 by 99 are equivalent. Rational numbers. Both are equivalent rational numbers. It is your answer. Have any doubt in it? सारे बच्चों को समझ में आई है या नहीं? कई कुछ डाउट्स है फिर से बताऊंगा. वर्कशीट 2 क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 का फर्स्ट. It is given in the question that 4 by 9 and 44 by 99 are two rational numbers. We have to justify that the given two rational numbers are equivalent rational numbers or not. According to criterion of equivalent rational numbers, we become able to evaluate the following given question as follows. 4 into 99, this is your 396. As well as 44 into 9, this is equal to 396. Both are equal to each other, hence both are equivalent. सारे बच्चे से नोट करेंगे. हाँ मेरी डाउट ही नहीं, कई कुछ डाउट से फिर से बताऊंगा. ओके, रब कर दें. नेक्स्ट वन इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. In each of the following cases, show that rational numbers are not equivalent. 4 by 9 and 16 by 27. Question number 2 का 1. We have to prove that 4 by 9 and 16 by 27. We have to prove that the given rational number given rational number is not equivalent, you have to prove the same. We become able to prove it as follows. 4 by 9 and 16 by 27. This can be written as 4 into 27 is equal to 108. 16 into 9 is equal to 144. And 108 is not equal to 144. So 4 by 9 and 16 by 27 is not equivalent. That is your answer. Have any doubt in it? कई कुछ डाउट्स है, फिर से बताऊंगा. 4 by 9 and 16 by 27 is not equivalent because after multiplying 4 and 27 it will be equal to 108 as well as 16 into 9 that will be 144. 108 is not equal to 144, so the following given fraction is not equivalent. Have any doubt in it? किसी बच्चे को कहीं कुछ डाउट्स है? फिर से बताऊंगा. कहीं भी कुछ डाउट्स हो तो पूछ लीजिए. If you have any doubt at any point. Next one is, रब कर दें इसको. Next one is question number 3. Write 3 rational numbers equivalent to each of the following. We have the same rational number 4 by 7. 4 by 7. We have to evaluate 3 equivalent rational number. Four by 7 can be written as 4 by 7 into 4 into 2, that is 8 by 14. First one is this. Second one is 4 by 7 is equal to 4 into 3 by 7 into 3, 12 by 21. Second. Third one is 4 by 7 is equal to 4 into 4 by 7 into 4, 16 by 28. These are your 3 equivalent rational numbers. These are your 3 equivalent rational numbers. To evaluate the required equivalent rational numbers, you have to multiply by 2 at first in both numerator and denominator. Then we become able to achieve the result. Then 3, then 4 in both numerator and denominator. 1 is not suitable to multiply because we know that if any number is being multiplied by 1, then number will be same. That's why we become able to evaluate the required rational number by multiplying 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. ऐसे 7th वाले बच्चे छोटे बच्चे हैं, इसलिए 3 इक्विवेलेंट नंबर ही इवेल्यूएट करने के लिए दिया जाता है. ऐसे 4, 5, 6 आप और भी कर सकते हैं, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. 3 करना है तो 2, 3, 4 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया पार्ट वाइज. इससे आगे बढ़ना है तो फिर 5, 6, 7 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे कर देंगे तो 3 और निकल जाएगा। इस तरह से हम लोग एवरेट करते हैं 1 को छोड़कर, बिकॉज वी नो दैट इफ एनी नंबर इज बीइंग मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 1, आंसर विल बी 1। इफ एनी नंबर इज बीइंग मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 1, आंसर विल बी 1। Next one is how we read out in it. सारे बच्चे इसको नोट करेंगे। एक बार फिर से बताऊं? नहीं ना? क्वेश्चन नंबर 4। Express 3 by 5 as a rational number with numerator minus 21. देखिए 3 by 5 with numerator minus 21. We have 3 by 5 is a fraction and we have to express the following given fraction with numerator minus 21. When minus 21 is being divided by 3, solution will be minus 7. So this 3 is being multiplied by minus 7. If 3 is being multiplied by minus 7, then 5 will also be multiplied by minus 7 to compensate this minus 7. This will be equal to minus 21 by minus 35. 3 by 5 can be written as minus 21 by minus 35 with numerator minus 21. numerator में -1 लाने के लिए हम लोगों ने -7 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया इन numerator। जब numerator में -7 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया तो -7 को कॉम्पनसेट करने के लिए, इक्वल करने के लिए डिनोमिनेटर में भी -7 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया। दैट्स वाई आवर फ्रैक्शन बिकम इक्वल टू 3 into -7 divided by 5 into -7. This will be equal to minus 21 by minus 35. It is your answer. Have any doubt in it? कहीं कुछ डाउट्स है? फिर से बताऊंगा। सारे बच्चों को समझ में आया है? If you have any doubt, then you must ask to me about your doubt. You must say to me about your doubt. Have you any doubt? No. Okay. Next one is question number 5. Express 4 by minus 7 as a rational number. 5 first. We have 4 by minus 7. It is your rational number and you have to express the following given rational number 4 by minus 7 with denominator 84. Your denominator should be equal to 84. अब देख लीजिए डिनोमिनेटर 84 लाने के लिए 84 में हम लोग -7 से डिवाइड करेंगे 12, दैट इज -12। 84 डिनोमिनेटर 84 लाने के लिए हम लोग क्या करेंगे? 84 में 7 से डिवाइड किया दैट इज 12, यहाँ -7 है तो हो जाएगा -12। सो दिस मस्ट इक्वल टू 4 into -12, 4 divided by -7 into -12. This will be equal to -48 by +84. This will become 84 as denominator. Your denominator become equal to 84 like this. Denominator 84 लाने के लिए हम लोग -7 को -12 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं। देख लीजिए 84 में 7 से डिवाइड किया दैट इज 12 और यहाँ -7 है, सो ये जस्ट मल्टीप्लाई बाई -12 बिकॉज माइनस इंटू माइनस इज इक्वल टू प्लस, minus into minus is equal to plus. That's why to convert a given fraction with denominator 84, we have to follow the following steps. 4 by minus 7 can be written as 4 into minus 12 whole divided by minus 7 into minus 12. This is equal to minus 48 by plus 84. It is an answer. Have any doubt in it? कई कुछ डाउट से फिर से बताऊंगा। सारे बच्चों को समझ में आई है या नहीं आया है? वेरी गुड, इसको रद्द कर देते हैं। नोट कर लिए सारे बच्चे? ओके। Next one is question number 6. Express 90 by 216 as a rational number with numerator 5. 90 by 216. Question number 6. Here we express the following given rational number as in terms of numerator 5, as in terms of numerator 5, numerator 5 लाने के लिए क्या करेंगे? 90 divided by 80, 90 divided by 80, 4 divided by 216 divided by 80. This will be equal to 5 by 18, 5 by 90. This one will be 18 minus 18, 336, 18 3 36, 12, 5 by 12, 5 by 12 is the right answer. 5 by 12 is the right answer. Have any doubt in it? कहीं कुछ डाउट से किस बताऊंगा? Have any doubt in it? No? Okay. Next one is, सारे बच्चे नोट कर लिए? इस तरह similarly all of you become able to evaluate each and every questions of worksheet 2. Next one is question number 7 and 8. Then this worksheet is being finished. After that we have to study about a standard form of a rational number. Your homework is this worksheet 1 and worksheet 2. You have to just do each and every question of worksheet 1 and each and every question of worksheet 2 with examples. Okay. Next one is question number 7. Express minus 64 by 256 as a rational number with denominator 8. This is very simple question. If we have to evaluate the given rational number minus 64 by 256 as a rational number with denominator 8, then you have to just divide by 8 in both numerator and denominator. हम लोग को देखना है कि कौन सा क्वांटिटी आएगा ये टू, कौन से क्वांटिटी से डिवाइड करने पर डिनोमिनेटर 8 आएगा। ओके, -64 by 256, -64 by 256 आप देखिए तो जरा कैंसिल कीजिए तो। क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, Question is this, minus 64 by 256, minus 64 by 256, cancel कीजिए, 4 से कीजिए, 64 से 64, 4 6 24, 4 4 60, 8 into 64, 8 into 60. This must be equal to minus 2 by 8. This is the required fraction. This one is your fraction having denominator 8. So minus 64 by 256 can be represented as minus 2 divided by 8 with denominator 8. It is your answer. Similarly, all of you become able to solve all the questions related with worksheet 3. Question number 8 is very simple questions. So I hope that all of you become able to evaluate the given questions of worksheet 1 and worksheet 2. Have you read out in it? सारे बच्चे इसको नोट करेंगे. जिस बच्चे को जहाँ भी डाउट्स है अपना डाउट्स मुझसे पूछिए. If you have any problem at any point, you must share to me about your doubt as well as about your problem. I will solve your problem, of course. Have any doubt in it? Yes, note it. Minus 64 by 256 can be resolved as minus 2 by 8 as denominator 8. Okay? ठीक, होमवर्क समझ में आई है? In your homework, you have to just do each and every portions of worksheet 1 and 2 respectively. Okay? मीटिंग कंक्लूड करें.